Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael. Welcome back to week 5 of the Robinhood 52-week premium selling challenge. If you're new here, please be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post 2 new videos every week and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, for those of you who haven't already and are interested, until the end of October, WEBULL is giving away 3 free stocks valued anywhere from $8 to $1,600 when you sign up for WEBULL using the referral link down below in the description. And when you sign up using the referral link down below in the description, not only do you get 3 free stocks, but it also helps us support the channel. So for those of you who sign up using my referral link, thank you. And one last thing before we get into the video, I'm just going to take my Instagram and I'm going to leave it right here. Do with it as you will, and without further ado, let's get into the video. It is Tuesday, long after market close. We missed Monday. I didn't record and also didn't record this morning. So actually, before we talk about what happened today, we're actually going to take a look at what happened yesterday. But before we hop into the handy dandy Robinhood, I would just like everyone to take notice at Peep the Hoodie. Your boy got merch now. Shout out to those of you who are already on it, who have already ordered some merch for themselves. Thank you so much. It really helps to support the channel and I just love being able to get this out to you. So for those of you who don't understand what premium is, I really just had this idea. The design is kind of inspired by Supreme because this challenge is about selling premium because that's what we do. And in honor of that, I will be wearing this hoodie every single day this week. So every day this week, it probably won't look like I changed it all. I'm gonna be wearing this hoodie. I'm gonna live in this hoodie. But that's enough of me rambling. Let's hop into the handy dandy Robinhood. Alright, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood, and as you can see on the day we are up $73.97. And I think it's pretty accurate, but never mind today. Let's actually rewind a little bit and look back at yesterday. Okay, so yesterday, right here, October 19th, looks like we started today. We ended last week at 491. Yeah, that balance was not looking good. Looks like we started the day around 664, and we closed out around 562. So honestly, I really didn't do too much yesterday, but I did pick up 3 credit spreads on Apple. Okay, so looking at Apple, going back to the history, you can see yesterday, right here, I picked up 3 credit spreads. It was a put credit spread where I sold the 122 and bought the 121. And my max loss for these were 42 cents a share, $42 a share, however you want to say it. So overall, it was about $126 max loss for the potential to make 174. So with Apple having earnings next week, this was a bet I was willing to make. So really, that's all we did yesterday. And then when we look at the positions that we have left, you see that I still have the Facebook credit spread. I still have the Nvidia put credit spread. But this morning I got out of the Ulta credit spread. It was just too close for me. It expires next week. There's all this stimulus talk. Ulta actually went in the money this morning. And then I saw the stimulus news with Ulta. So I was like, I'm going to sell Ulta. So if we go take a look at Ulta. Actually, I think I bought it back yesterday. But yeah, yesterday my spread was in the money. I was not trying to take that chance. If you take a look at this, you see that it was like right when I bought it back, Ulta just took a fall. Stimulus talks and everything, Ulta was falling. Honestly, I did try to do research on Ulta, but I had no idea why it was moving up and I had no idea why it was moving down. So I figured it's a good idea for me to get out. So I got out and I took a loss of, I think, about $50. So yeah, I bought it for, so yeah, I sold it for $69 and I bought it back for $159. So yeah, on Monday we locked in a loss of $50. Moving back to Tuesday, if we take a look at Apple, I actually picked up one more position today. It was the exact same put credit spread, but this time instead of selling it for $42, I sold it for $67 because this is still a bet I would make. They have their earnings next week. There's going to be some sort of run up. I think even if it doesn't end up in the money, I will still at least get a chance to get out profitably. So yeah, that's kind of my reasoning for that. And selling that one brought my overall average from 57 cents a contract to 60 cents a contract. And taking a look at my last 2 positions, if we take a look at Facebook moved in my favor today. I'm still down on it, We're up $47 on the day. And actually, if we take a look at Facebook made a huge move after hours. If Facebook can hold this price for the rest of the week, we can collect most of that premium and we'll offset our losses. And on top of that, we'll even collect our 5%. It's kind of crazy. I was actually very doubtful about Facebook yesterday. In the money for Facebook was $267.50 and it fell to $260. So yeah, very uncomfortable about that. But now it's at $275, so I should be good. But I'm going to be watching that closely. Alright, and going on, Nvidia, I'm still not too worried about this. It has to make a pretty decent move. It's not a move that's unheard of, but we also have time on it, so I'm kind of just chilling on this one, hoping I can capitalize off some theta. Today it moved in my favor, $10, so yeah, feeling good about that. But that's going to do it for Monday and Tuesday. I will catch you on Wednesday. What's good? It is Wednesday after market close. Let's hop in the handy dandy Robinhood and take a look. Alright, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood, and as you can see, we're up 72% on the day. That is 11.06%, so looking good there. And if we take a look at our positions, we're still in the exact same positions. On the day for Nvidia and Apple, we're in the red, and on the day for Facebook, we are in the green. As you can see for Facebook, that credit spread is only worth $12 now. So as of right now, we're up $48. I normally take profits at 50%, but Facebook is so in the money. I'm going to try to collect as much premium off this as I can. But yeah, look at today's total return, 104. Man, that is beautiful because we were really down on this. But yeah, moving on to other spreads. We have the Apple put credit spread. We're only down $8 on the day. As long as it's nothing too crazy, I'll take it. And then looking at Nvidia, on the day for this, we're down $24, but looking at Nvidia, we're still a good ways away from that threshold, so I'm chilling with that too. We're down 15% on the day. That's kind of a good amount, but hey, I'm chilling. So really, that's going to do it for Wednesday. I will catch you on Thursday. Peep the hoodie. Peep it. Yeah, catch you Thursday. And it is Thursday after market close. Let's hop in the handy dandy Robinhood and take a look. Alright, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood, and as you can see on the day we are down $12.03. Don't know where that 3 cents came from since we're only trading options contracts, but hey, we're down $12.03, which is also 1.66% on the day. So not too bad, not good, but not too bad. So if we take a look at our positions, you can see we're still holding all the same positions we were holding yesterday. The Facebook credit spread is valued at only 3 cents. So yeah, tomorrow is the day it expires. Even if I can close this at this price, I will be profitable on the week. I won't have gotten my 5%, but I will be in the green for the week, which honestly at this point will make me happy. So yeah, as you can see on the day we're up $9 on this. Most of it was time decay, and as of right now we're sitting at 95% of our total profit. So hey, we're doing pretty good on Facebook. Now moving on, Apple, you can see the value of these went up, which means our profit went down. But on the day we're only down $9 total on it. And the reason for that is because I actually got another contract. I sold another one for $73. So now we have 5 contracts with an average credit of $63 per contract. And if we do the math for that, 63 times 5, off of all these contracts, I can make a total of $315. And the most that I can lose is $185. So I've actually been putting more on the line than that in most of my other trades. So even if I were to completely fail on this trade, I would still be okay with it because I can manage this trade. Alright, and looking at our last trade, we have Nvidia. On the day we're down $12 overall on Nvidia. That is $6 each contract, and overall we're down 40% since we opened these contracts. And if we take a look at Nvidia itself, Nvidia has taken a pretty decent fall since we purchased these contracts. It's fallen $25 over the past week, but over the past month it's looking pretty good. So that's going to do it for Thursday. I will catch you on Friday. Alright, looks like we made it. It is Friday after market close. You know what it is. Let's hop in the handy dandy Robinhood and take a look at the portfolio. Alright, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood, and as you can see on the day we are up $12.98. Again, I don't know where these cents are coming from because we're just trading options contracts, but it's happening, so we're gonna roll with it. But anyways, we are up 1.84% on the day, and as you can see, we now have a little more buying power than we did yesterday, and that's going to be because we closed out one of our positions. So we're going to start by taking a look at the position we closed, and that was on Facebook. Facebook has had an absolutely tremendous day. It looks like it's still doing well after hours, and if we take a look at the trade history, you can see that I sold the spread for $60 right here on October 13th, and just 10 days later I got pretty much all the profits I could. I really don't like holding till expiration just because of all the things that can go wrong. But yeah, we got $59 profit out of this. This honestly couldn't have gone any better. And we even offset the loss we took earlier this week. So now instead of being down $50 on the week, we are now up 9. We in the green. But looking at the other two positions we're holding, looking at Apple, I was honestly so close to selling another one, but something in me said, yo Matthew, hold off. I already have 5 spreads, and one of the rules was not to over leverage myself. And just defending myself right now, I'm not over leveraging this. If I take this hit, I'll be okay. But yeah, if I would have got more in, I may have went a little crazy and over leveraged myself. So I just decided to leave it alone. So yeah, as of right now, we're down a total of $86 on the Apple spreads, and the average spread is worth $80 a contract. So we still got a week on those. So we'll see how Apple does next week. But yeah, that's how we're doing on that. And then on our last position, Nvidia, we're currently sitting at break even on the 2 contracts we have. On the positions we have, we are up 28.57%, a return of $56. So hey, looking good there. This, along with the couple dollars we went up on Facebook, brought us into the green today because Apple surely did not. But yeah, looking at Nvidia had a pretty good day. It's up almost 2%, almost $10. So yeah. So yeah, that's how we closed out the week. This week we didn't get our 5%, but 5% each week works out to be about 21% a month, and we were well over that last month. So, and along with the Boeing trade we had earlier in the seasons, we are definitely well ahead of our goal. But I want to know, how the stock market treat you this week? Did you make any crazy profits? Crazy losses? Let me know down below in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to smash the like button. And if for some reason you're new here and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post 2 new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And y'all be sure to let me know, would y'all be interested in me doing a merch giveaway? Hey, let me know down below in the comments. And if you don't have time to wait for a giveaway and just want to go grab one for yourself, the merch is linked directly below this video, so be sure to go check that out. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.